today we are talking about trending jewelry that I've ordered from Nykaa. Most of them are a little bit from Myntra. I think it's very empowering to have a beautiful jewelry that will enhance your outfit, that will give you confidence to move, and also it's a very good gift if you want to give it to your sister, girlfriend, or whosoever. So let's get started. The first piece I'm talking about is my neck piece that you can see I'm wearing. I think it's a beautiful piece. It's an oxidized jewelry from Tejas. I have ordered it from Nykaa, and also this is just one piece. It's actually a combination of a neck piece and also this very cute and very beautiful earrings, a hand piece. I think this entire set looks beautiful, ending with a ring. I hope it's visible. So this entire set cost me around 26.55, and I will just quickly show you at the same time on Myntra website as well. After 39% off, you can get this entire thing from Myntra. Right now it's sold out, but yeah, I think it's from Tejas. It's oxidized, and I think it's beautiful metallic jewelry. Moving on to the second one. The second one is also silver oxidized jewelry. I hope you can see it here. I think it's a beautiful piece. You can just wear it with a spaghetti or casual top and dress, depending on what kind of dress it is. I personally really love this oxidized jewelry, and again I have ordered this also from Nykaa, and it will cost you around 7.99 rupees. I hope you can see it. I have just downloaded Nykaa app and I ordered there. I just want to show you that how you can also simply go to Nykaa and search for this one. It says Tej by Joker, and which Aradhya silver oxidized long. So here you go. It has 56% off right now, so you can just go and buy. Now let's move to the other one. It's a very beautiful piece that I have ordered and I really loved it, and it is oxidized silver tassel bell anklet. You can see this anklet and I will now show it to you. It is so beautiful. Can you see this? How beautiful this should look in your ankle side. It's another piece. So there are two obviously. Alright guys, so the next one is something we have casual plus office wear. The first one is this Carlton London. So it's a rose gold plated geometrical drop earrings. This will cost you somewhere around 327 rupees, and as you can see it on Nykaa app right now, I hope it's visible. So I think they are very beautiful, very sleek. So I think it will go very well with your office wear or a casual wear. Other than these three, I have ordered three more from another website, which is Myntra. Now let me show you. The first one is the same brand, Carlton London, but this time I have ordered it from Myntra. I think they will go very well with your office wear, your casual, college wear. It's like very pretty and very solid material. It's a drop earrings and it's obviously brown color, and I will show you quickly on Myntra. Right now it costs you around 600 rupees. This is a Myntra app and this is how it looks. It's a 40% off. Instead of 1000, you are getting it 599. The next one is very party wearing and I love it. I hope you can see it. It's a pure party wearing earring. Specifically it is from Dressberry, and again obviously it's a geometrical drop earring, and it will cost you 799 rupees. So this is how it looks on Myntra app, and they are of 799 rupees, and I have shown you. By the way, it's a very solid material. The material is very good. I really love it. The next one that I will show you is something that is very casual, yet at the same time it's a very solid material. I love the color also. It's a silver color. So this one, it's a silver color earrings and I really love them. Again, I will show you quickly. It's from, again, Dressberry drop earrings. The material is really good and it will cost you, as you can see, it's 699 rupees. So the entire range is somewhere around 600. Oxidized jewelry was expensive, but other than that, the rest of the range is normal. And also these are coming on discounts. Previously it was 600, now it is 325 something. So I hope you like this quick video on my earrings that I recently bought from Myntra and obviously Nykaa. I think in Nykaa you will get a wide variety of oxidized jewelry. It's really good. I'm wearing one of them. Where in Myntra you can find more solid earrings and I really love them. So I hope you like this video. I will see you again in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you and me and love you.